So what is this activity he's going to do?
So we actually just started this.
Mm-hmm.
So caterpillar starts with C. He has to figure out the first letter.
C.
The first sound.
Cool.
Oh, I'm sorry, Sam Henry. I was talking about this one. What is this? It's a caterpillar. Caterpillar starts with C. You got it, dude.
C. Cold.
Snowman.
Winter. S.
Good job. Snowman starts with S.
No clipboards. No clipboards. You wanna go upstairs? Lemon.
Watermelon.
W.
Good.
Kite.
Nice.
Who's pressing the button? Who's pressing the button? Cat.
Kite.
Who's pressing the button? Amy. Kite. Who's pressing the button? Amy. Who's pressing the button? Amy. Umbrella.
Nice.
Pumpkins. T. Turtles. T. Heart. H.
This is, you're right, it is a heart. It's also a Valentine.
V.
Nice.
One.
Insect.
Insect.
Insect. Insect starts with I. Insect.
No clipboards? You mean no clipboards? Right.
Xylophone.
S. Z.
Xylophone starts with X. What letter
Let's
does
go.
xylophone start with?
X.
X. You
I think
got
I'm
it.
gonna go upstairs. Let's go. We're gonna go downstairs. Then we're gonna go upstairs. Eggs.
This one is a nest.
And-
Nest. Yarn.
Y.
Oh, that was good.
Zebra. Z.